My fridge was saying something. Guess what? She's saying that idli are there in the fridge. And idlis are calling me and saying, please finish me first and then prepare new breakfast. So how can I ignore them? Hello everyone. Today I am preparing fried idli in my breakfast. Few months or few weeks ago, I have already shared its recipe, but when it combined with vegetables and some sauces, then it sounds so good. So please add cabbage too as shown, because it will add flavors too. And I will cut all the idlis and then let's have it. Let's fry them and enjoy our breakfast. Okay, so thank you all for listening, and please be connected. And please feel free to subscribe too. Thanks.